Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to unlock the secrets of the 8051 microcontroller pin diagram. Whether you're prepping for exams or diving into your next project, understanding these pins is crucial. Let's get started. First up, the basics. The 8051 microcontroller is a 40-pin dual inline package or DIP. It has 4 ports, P0 to P3, each with 8 pins used for input and output. Simple enough, right? Now let's talk about power and clock pins. Pin 40, marked as VCC, is where you provide the +5V power supply. Pin 20 is the ground pin. You'll also find pins 18 and 19, known as Xtal1 and Xtal2, which connect to a crystal oscillator, typically 12 MHz for the internal clock. These are crucial for the microcontroller's operation. Moving on to the reset circuit. Pin 9, labeled RST, is the reset input pin. When you apply a high pulse for at least 2 machine cycles, the microcontroller resets. This is useful for initializing your device. Now let's break down the ports. Starting with port 0, which includes pins 32 to 39. This port is dual purpose. It can function as an I/O port or as a lower address data bus, labeled AD0 to AD7. Just remember, it needs external pull-up resistors when used as an I/O port. Port 1 covers pins 1 to 8. This is a purely I/O port with no alternate functions, simple and straightforward. Then we have port 2, spanning pins 21 to 28. Like port 0, it's dual purpose. It can be used as an I/O port or as a higher address bus labeled A8 to A15, especially useful for external memory interfacing. Port 3, which includes pins 10 to 17, is versatile. It functions as both an I/O port and supports special functions, for example P3, 0, and P3. 1 are used for serial input and output. P3, 2 and P3, 3 handle external interrupts. P3, 4 and P3, 5 are for timer inputs, while P3, 6 and P3, 7 manage reads and writes to external memory. Knowing these special functions can really help you maximize the 8051's capabilities. Next, let's talk about accessing external memory and program memory. Pin 31 marked EA is the external access pin. Connect it to the ground to use external ROM or to VCC to use the internal ROM. Simple choice, big difference. Pin 29, labeled PSEN, stands for Program Store Enable. It's used to read from external program memory. Lastly, pin 30 marked ALE is the address latch enable. It's used to demultiplex the address data bus in external memory applications. To wrap up, here's a quick summary chart for easy reference. Pin No, name function. 18P1, 0P1, 7 general I/O 10, 17P3, 0P3, 7 I/O plus special functions, 1819 Xtal1/2 crystal oscillator input output, 20 GND ground, 21 28P2, 0P2, 7 I/O or higher address bus, A8 A15, 29 PSN external program memory read, 30 AL demultiplex address data bus, 31 EA external access, 32 39 P0, 0 P0, 7 I/O or address data bus, ADI0 AD7, 40 VCC plus 5 V supply. Remember to use a clear pin diagram and highlight each pin as you explain. Giving practical examples like LED interfacing or memory access can make these concepts stick. And don't forget, emphasizing the special functions of port 3 can help you understand the real-world applications of the 8051 microcontroller. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Until next time, keep coding.